Hi everyone. Welcome back to SK Technologies. In this video, we will see the continuing of our application deployment. Application deployment, we have completed check out the code and build the build artifact and the Sonar reports also generated, right? So in this video, I will try to push that build artifact into the Artifactory repository. Okay, so I already started my Artifactory repository. Okay, so here I already we a lot of things we discussed, right? So if you are not sure, if you're not familiar Artifactory repository tool, just go and watch my videos. So I have already created this repositories. One is the release type and another one is a snapshot. So now I will try to generate this build artifact and I will push into the artifact. Okay, so already inside here it is already placed. So let me delete this. Okay, so let me delete everything or else. Okay, so you can go on check delete folder deleted in the background. Okay, okay. Anyhow, let it be. So now I will go and make the connection between my Jenkins server and the Nexus server. Okay, so thereafter we will try to execute the job. Fine. So this is my Jenkins page. So couple of projects folders I have created, and inside my folder one, project one. So this is a demo freestyle job. So we are discussing the freestyle job only, right? As of now. So slowly, once we done this freestyle, then we'll jump into the pipeline. But the same activities only. Whatever you are doing here now, the same activity only, with the help of the pipeline script. Okay. So let me configure. Before configure, so let me log in my Jenkins server. This is my Jenkins server. So let me go to my home directory where lib Jenkins. Okay. So here under tools section. So tools section, so I have installed the Maven tool, right? So inside the Maven there are configuration, so settings.xml file. So there I need to uh, add my credentials of the Nexus server. Okay, so before that we'll try to generate this we'll try to push this artifact. Okay, so try to push the artifact, then we will see what so let me configure. I have restarted the servers actually. So Amazon missions are the behavior of the Amazon mission. So if you restart, the public IP getting changed, guys. So you can go and replace this. So this is for the Sonar Cube, right? So let me just clean install. Let me do this clean install. Apply, save. Let me trigger. We will see eighth job number 8. So this is again I am trying to build. So build got success. Now what I will do, I will use I will take a look into the pom.xml file, and because of the con Nexus uh, if you want to build any Nexus, if you want to push the artifactory, okay, so you have to update the pom.xml file, right? So let me check my form. This is the source code I am using. So here my pom.xml file. So distributor management, under distribution management. Okay, so here you have to update your Nexus repository URLs. Okay, so this is only Nexus URL. Fine. So let me take this release. Okay, so we can go and update pom.xml file. Edit the file. Come down, 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 down. This is the one. Okay, so this is the repository of my release. Make sure, guys, whenever you are copying paste, be careful. Okay, so don't disturb the existing. And the same name only I am using. So I will change the IP address only. Okay, so 35.154.249.0 dot 222. Okay, so this is my IP of my Nexus repository and the same repository name SKTech snapshot. Okay, so done guys. So let me make the commit message in above only. They answered the GitHub page. Okay, so commit changes. So click on here and give a message here. Okay, so Nexus server details added. Okay, Nexus server details added. Commit this. Now you can go and trigger the job with the help of the uh, you can go and now if you want to push your code you can use the deploy goal. Okay, instead of this installer you can use the deploy, then it will push the code, push the build artifact, right? So let me trigger this job and we will see what error we will get. We will see. See, there is a expected error. Okay, so some problems were encountered while POMs. This is the error. Okay, so an empty tag. Okay, so something missing in the pom.xml file and some problems were encountered. Okay, so no non-parsable pom. Okay, line number 104. Okay, we will see what is the 104. Yeah, here. Just see guys. So while copying pasting, so I missed this parenthesis guys. So be careful whenever you are editing. So that is making an issue now. This is a unknown error, not what I expected. Okay, so be careful guys whenever you are copying job, pasting the job. So URL. So here, okay, so here this greater than sign is missing. Okay, 104 line adjusted. Dot. Okay, so let me commit. Then go and see. Definitely, if you get any error, so definitely it will show the respective message. Okay, the error message. So now we let us see. Yeah, now it's fine. But this is another error. Okay, so could not transfer the data. Authentication is failed. Okay, this is what I expected earlier. But anyhow, now what you need to do, you have to make the authentication between your Jenkins server. Okay, so wherever your Maven server is there, right? From Maven server to your Nexus server, you have to make the authentication. Okay, so what you need to do, you can go see anyhow we install the Nexus. I mean, we install the Maven in the Jenkins server itself, right? With the help of the global tool. So this is the location. So in this location, there is a configuration file called this is the location. So here there is a configuration file called settings.xml file. So this is the file. So here this file you need to edit guys. So vi settings. Okay, so come down. Let me make the line numbers guys for your convenient. Okay, so come down, down. Okay, so here there is a field called servers. Okay, so under servers you have to add the server details, the Nexus server. See, servers started, right? So servers here guys. So simply you can uh, after this uh, this is the commented line, right? After this you can add this server. Okay, so server, then make sure guys, so whenever you are writing something so just better you can copy this line, entire line. Really sorry, my mouse is making issue. Okay, or else you can type so id. This is the id. So id what we are using, we are using as a nexus. Okay, then slash id. That's it. Then you have to use the username. Okay, so username. So username is admin slash username, and the password you need to provide guys. So password is I think root 123. Okay, so this is the password. Then you can finish this one password. Fine. So now you can go on again. Make sure, guys, you have to finish this also like server. Okay, that's it, guys. You have to add this line in a settings.xml file, which is under Maven home directory under conf directory. Okay, save this. Now your Maven server is reaching to your Nexus server, then it will push. Okay, so now you can go back and trigger your Jenkins job again. Okay, then have a look on the version, guys. So still facing a okay. Now 500 error server transferred failed. Now authentication is fine. So this is another error. Okay, so always we are getting issues only. So you can go and check. I think you can have a look on the palm.xml file version, guys. It is snapshot only 2.0.0. Okay, okay, var file 2.0.0. Then you can come here, check any 2.0, nothing are there. Okay, so fail to call 2.0.0, or this is picking up the same only. Transfer failed to snapshot this one, where status is 500 error. Okay, more information. Okay, this is a new error, guys. Anyhow, let me fix this. Okay, so this is what error. Let me go and re-trigger it again. We will see uh, what is making issue. We will see. Okay, transfer failed for 500 server error. Okay, we will see. Not an issue.